Dogecoin is doing some amazing things. Dogecoin has pumped and done some awesome things today. But in this video, we're going to be talking about some accurate price predictions. I've been giving my price predictions on Dogecoin and what I think is going to be happening for Doge, but I recently found an article that confirms the $1 price target for the end of this year. I also have some very important news on Dogecoin, where I think Dogecoin is headed. We're going to take a look. Should you get into Dogecoin now? Should you wait? Should you buy the dip? What should you do? So make sure you guys stay into the end of the video, because all of these questions and answers are going to be asked, especially with this amazing information that you cannot miss on the new price target. Guys, let's go ahead and smash the likes for Doge, because Dogecoin is pumping and I think we are near all-time highs. Guys, let me know in the comments below, do you think we are going to smash all-time highs in the month of April? What's up, guys? My name is Myles, and this channel I create content for Dogecoin and altcoins. So if you're interested in making a lot of money in cryptocurrency really fast, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I call out big plays before they happen. I've been calling all of these Dogecoin pumps before they have happened, and congratulations to all of those of you who took those trades. Also, remember, we are doing the 1,000 Doge giveaway to anyone who subscribes to my channel, likes and comments in this video, and also follows my Instagram and Twitter. I will be giving the 1,000 Doge on Saturday. The winner will be announced through a post. But make sure you guys join the Discord. You can do so via the Patreon. The link will be in the description below. And with my Patreon, I'll also offer my private trade alerts within the VIP section of the Discord. And I'll offer a bunch of other services to help you build your portfolios and to help you guys get started with investing in cryptos and the stock market. If you guys are interested in stock content, you can check out the link. I have a channel where I only do stocks. I also have another channel where I'm going to be focusing on other bigger altcoins. So if you're interested in other cryptocurrencies, you can subscribe to that channel. So we finally broke out of the 6-cent range. Now, like I said, if we're looking at this chart like we created yesterday, I said, look, this is our level of resistance, and we are having difficulty breaking past this point. But if we do break past this green line, I'm going to go ahead and change the color so we can see a little bit better. It's now a yellow line. If we do break past this yellow line, we're going to trend in a new level, which this level of resistance now becomes our level of support. So congratulations to those of you who have made money in Dogecoin in the last couple of days and trades that I have mentioned. But this is incredibly bullish news for Doge. Whenever you are investing in something, and especially Doge, it was having such a difficulty, it would touch 6 cents and then bounce down. Look, it would come up and test 6 cents and get rejected and fall down. And we see it here several times. Finally, we broke out. Look at this massive breakout, 6.5 cents, something I called exactly to my price target. And let's see how much of a pump that was. That is a 10% gain. And if you were trading leverage, you could have turned that into hundreds of percents. But a 10% gain is a 10% gain. Most people who are investing in the stock market and traditional finance love to get a 7 to 10% gain, and they are happy with that for the entire year. And look, we accomplished that in a single day. All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and talk to you about the most important information. Right now, we're going to have some more information later in the video. But look, there has been a lot of price predictions, a lot of price targets for Dogecoin by just a bunch of random people, YouTubers, Twitter, whatever. These people are just pumping up certain things and just saying crazy numbers, which some of those numbers are actually going to be true, especially as you hear Bitcoin predictions, Ethereum predictions. Those numbers are actually going to be true. But let's go ahead and take a look at this article, because it confirms what we desire as Dogecoin holders. So Dogecoin price prediction, Doge price forecast for 2021 and beyond. So what we want to look at is it gives a bunch of price predictions for other years. We're going to start with 2021. It says, on a bullish note, Doge continued to trade at 0.007 during the start of 2021. Dogecoin broke its previous records and progressively hit an all-time high of 8 cents on February 8th, 2021. It might compete with our other peer cryptocurrencies by 2021 and might even go up in ranking. Dogecoin might hit the highest level at $1 by the end of 2021. This is the information that we are looking for. We are looking for confirmation of the $1 price target, because is the $1 price target, is that only a price target and a prediction by somebody who is irrationally throwing numbers out there? No, there's a bunch of confirmed sources that believe Dogecoin can potentially hit $1 this year and potentially in the years to come. But look, there is even, as the video I put out last night, there is even price targets that Dogecoin might hit even $10 with the major support of well-known influencers. And that's what it is saying in the 2022 prediction. It says Dogecoin might initiate the trade at 1.5 during 2022. If the Doge manages to acquire the attention of marketers, the price could reach up to $5. The meme token may also hit $10 with the support of major well-known influencers, what I just read. And it even goes on to say $20, $50 in the next 5 years. And that is absolutely incredible. It also goes on to cite some of the sources of these price predictions. Zachariah M says that Doge could be worth $1 in 5 years. And Trading Beast, they are saying that we could hit about 8 cents this year. There's always conservative projections with anything in life. CoinLinker, they're saying 8 cents, 2025. But the most important is Coinpedia's price prediction, $1 by the end of the year. And they're also saying that we could see $10 by next year. And this would have to be coming from the help of celebrity influencers and people pumping this thing up. If people can band together like they did with GameStop and AMC, which we have done with Dogecoin, we've created a greater community that already existed. If we can come together and buy and hold this thing, we could certainly get this thing up to $1 by the end of the year. However, I don't think that is very conservative or realistic. Of course, it's kind of outlandish. It's certainly possible. It is 100% possible. In my book, do I think it is plausible? I think we could safely hit 30 to 40 cents this year. And that is still an incredible gain from the current price that we are at now. But let's go ahead and get back to our price targets. Let's go ahead and take a look at some technical analysis where I think Doge is headed, so we can accurately understand what to do with Doge, what is going to be happening with Doge next, and many more. All right, so what we're doing now is we're looking at a 1 hour chart. So each and every one of these candles represents an hour time frame, and the movement of the candles and the wicks give us a lot more information than just whether it was up or down. But that's not important. That's not what we're going to be going over at this moment. What we're going to be going over is we have to understand, what do we think is next for Dogecoin? Honestly, I think we could potentially, it looks like we are breaking out, guys. It looks like we are continuing to move up. And I think we could potentially hit our price target of 7 cents. Look, we already hit our price target of 7 cents. It came up exactly. Isn't that absolutely crazy? It came up exactly to 7 cents just a couple of days ago, last week. But I think what is next, what could possibly happen if we can get another pump, especially if we can get another tweet to push this thing up, what would effectively happen would be we would come up and test the 7 cent range. Now, this is a double top situation. So we either come up and test the 7 cents, and if we can break past the 7 cents, that could initiate a massive breakout. It could initiate an ongoing chain of people buying, jumping into Dogecoin, because a lot of people, especially newer investors, they jump when things are at the top and they sell at the bottom. That is a very common psychological occurrence and occurrence naturally with newer investors. So what I think would happen is if we broke 7 cents and continue to pump past it, I think it would cause a lot of people to jump back in, which could potentially, if we were to get a massive thing happening at this event, we could certainly see 10 cents. I think we can certainly see all-time highs if we can break past this. But guys, let's take a note. Let's take a look at this volume right here. Look, this massive breakout here. Look at all of that volume. That's a big whale jumping in. But look, we are breaking past close to these levels, and we are steadily flowing up with a lot less volume. So that shows a steady movement to the upside. But we need to take notice that there's two possible situations that can happen. We are pumping right now. We are up 5%, but we can continue to pump and move up, or we can pump a little bit and continue to trend on this line, or maybe change our trajectory, or we would come back down to test this level of support. And if we were to test this level of support and bounce off of it, that would be a great buying opportunity, because we'd most likely be going up at that point. Or we would come test the level of support and break down to further levels, and then test our previous levels of support, which we would see about 5.058. So if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Blow up the comment sections. I will try to get back to some of my comments. And also check out the Patreon if you want my private trade alerts, you want some of my financial coaching, you want to join the Discord. We have over 800 members. You can do so in the links in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video.